going. So it's been an idea for a while now for me to be doing a more like what I eat in a days, more fitness diaries, more exercise that I did that day, more meals that I'm eating. I figured that for today, you guys could cook dinner with me. My day is just about to start winding down. I have some editing and stuff to do tonight, but I'm ready to take like a good break and cook myself just some grub. Like I'm kind of hungry. I'm craving tacos. I've been in a taco mood lately. I feel like I kind of want to start like a new like with me series on my channel where like I bake and I cook things. Like the baked goods will be like vegan baked goods that it's like maybe not as healthy. The cook with me's will be more like easy meals that you can make at home, easy ideas, and just basically what I eat because I'm gonna be eating the foods that I'm cooking with you guys, so you guys will get more recipes and stuff like that. I didn't know for the longest time how I wanted to incorporate doing more recipe style things on my channel because I actually really love to cook and I really love to bake. We'll be able to talk, we'll be able to hang out. It'll be as if you guys came over, we made dinner, maybe sometimes we'll enjoy a glass of wine, sometimes we'll get our water intake, it depends on how healthy we're being that day, and we'll serve up all the good vegan grub. So first we should make our way into the kitchen. As I mentioned, I'm craving tacos. So for today, that's exactly what we're gonna have. So I picked these up last time I went grocery shopping. They're just the old El Paso soft tacos, some rice, and then I'm thinking of making them mushroom themed. These kinds of mushrooms, I have onions I need to cook up, some spinach, and then just doing like roasted red pepper. I also have a portobello mushroom that I need to use as well. So I'm thinking we'll do that. Maybe some tofu. Okay, I eat a lot of tofu, but it's high in soy. And so it's one of those things that we're gonna make them mushroom tacos with a bit of tofu instead of tofu tacos with a bit of mushroom, which is how I would usually do it. Because what is cooking without a snack? Let's be real. Okay, I'm gonna set out of the way. The store right by our house stocks it in like every single flavor, and my old grocery store didn't. So each week I've been buying like a new hummus and trying out a new flavor. I'm trying out the vegetable one right now. That's really good. So rice will probably take the longest. So I'm gonna start there. Okay, and then we also need to cut up all the veggies. So herbs can go off to the sides. So I'm gonna be cutting up onion, tofu, red pepper, and mushrooms. I feel like I want to do the portobello mushrooms like strips, almost like a steak taco. So I already put garlic on the grill. I feel like every time I use a little bit of garlic and lemon juice, it kind of like sizzles things up nicely without needing to use too much oil. Grab my handy dandy black butcher knife. I've also been reusing plastics like this to wrap up things. So if I end up using this whole pepper, which I feel like I should because it's probably gonna go soon, I'll use this to wrap up the tofu. Cilantro I need to cut up, and then I need to warm these up. I feel like I've been craving good Mexican food for a while. There's this place in Toronto called Fresh, and I feel like I've gone through a phase recently of like Fresh, just getting like a good wrap. They actually make really, really good soft tacos too. These are kind of like Fresh inspired soft tacos. Okay. Ooh, we need hot sauces. These are still all the hot sauces I got from Mexico last year. I feel like we should try out some of these. This one's been my favorite, the green habanero peppered. Spicy food, like used to, no? Not love it. I wish YouTube had a scent can so I could like spritz out the smell of everything. Okay, ready to build some tacos.
She was dancing, she was smiling, roses blooming on her cheeks. In a quiet kind of litany, she accepted some defeat. And then she drove into the arms of disgrace and then repelled. Now she's fallen to her knees, but you couldn't ever tell. And then she asked me how we got here. I told her I know. And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I want.
number 2 here. They're actually massive. I can't even fold this. I'm also watching the Secrets of Jake Paul, Shane Dawson video while I eat. I've been trying to like watch more YouTube, just in general, honestly. I feel like one of the other questions I get a lot too are what kind of YouTubers I watch. And I really like Shane Dawson. He's been a fave of mine for a while. He's like my go-to when I just want to like watch something to just like feel good, like when I'm cooking and when I'm eating. So I'm watching his like Jake Paul series right now. Let me know who you guys watch. Like comment below, who do you guys like to watch on YouTube? So I feel like I need to start watching more people. Let me know if you guys liked this little cook with me kind of like recipe style video where I shared with you just like an easy vegan meal. You can make it home, super yummy, although I didn't have guacamole. I feel like guacamole would have completed this. So if you are making it at home, I highly recommend running out and grabbing guac. And if there's any other recipes you guys want me to do in future cook with me videos, also comment those down below. I feel like we need to do like the classics. Like we've done taco night now. We should do like a pizza night and a burger night and like, ooh, we should do a cauliflower wing night and like a noodle soup night because I've been like really into the noodle soups. So I'm gonna finish the rest of this Secrets of Jake Paul video and I'll catch up with all of you guys tomorrow.